Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, today, October 1st, is an anniversary that some of you might be into this program. I am still in the program. I was probably on the first day of the program, October 1st, 10 years ago, October 1st, 2014. Windows Insider program had started. So you see here I'm having a build. This is a Insider preview, and this is still part of the Insider program. I got two PCs on the Insider program right now still. One is the this main machine that I use a lot, which is on a Canary build. I also have my gaming laptop, which has unreleased preview. And Windows Insider program started as an idea that Microsoft had, which was, how about we have a bunch of Windows enthusiasts participate in helping us make Windows better. And of course, it started all with Gabriel Hall, which was the first chief insider. He wasn't much of a social media guy, so he wasn't comfortable in that role because insiders demanded a lot of attention at first. So they moved on, and Donna Sarkar was the next and very proactive insider chief. She was great. She would, give us hints in all ways of the builds coming out, and she was like the greatest chief insider of all, and she really knew how to deal with all of the insiders and everything. I miss those days. Those days were the beautiful days of the Windows Insider program, where we felt like we belonged to something. We were helping out, and the Insider program, a lot of people, drew criticism on it, saying, "Well, you're asking people that don't know much about PCs to test. What is that?" Actually, the Windows Insider program worked very well. The idea behind it of having a bunch of people test out was great because it was a mix of some pretty expert Windows users, and for those that didn't know much about, the Windows experience itself, well, there was the telemetry that also helped. So the telemetry from their machines helped, and they knew what would crash and not crash and so on. I think the biggest problem with the Insider program was missing out on a lot of the feedback that they could have fixed things before they issued updates that would, be bad, because it was already known in the Insider program that that was bad, but somehow they would miss on that information. And the program became pretty stale afterwards. The program moved on to Amanda Langowski, and since then she's not a participation, guru of anything. We don't hear about her. She's like in a background somewhere. We don't even know if she's there or not. And with her, the program became very boring. It's going in a direction that I don't know what they're doing exactly. And it is sad because if they've maintained the hype, I think they could have maintained maybe a lot of insiders. We don't have much news about how many insiders are still in the program today. But at the height, there were, a couple of millions at least. And I don't know now how much. We don't have much numbers about it. So 10 years ago, man, time just flies. I remember being there the first day, finding this so exciting, getting the first builds of Windows before everybody else was exciting, and getting the new features. Today, like I said, rather stale. Not that many new features, and it's kind of, I don't know, we're kind of almost wondering if it's still useful to have so. And of course, you can enroll if you still wish. If you didn't know about it, you go to your settings and your Windows 10 or Windows 11. And you go to Windows Update, and there you'll see that there's a part that is the Windows Insider program. Here, you can enroll and be in different builds. So I'm in the Canary, but the builds that are for Windows 10 are released preview and beta. And for Windows 11, you have Release Preview, Beta, Dev, and Canary. Canary is the one that has the most advanced features that you can test out. Remember, if you go there, you can't go back. So unless there's some loophole where sometimes they do match the build numbers, where you have a chance to get out, in general, the only way to get out of here will be to reinstall Windows. So happy 10th anniversary to the Windows Insider program. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.